From the beginning, we've defined what a durable, double-wall vacuum-insulated bottle could be. With our lightweight Trail Series bottles, we've reinvented our most iconic technology to create a 25% lighter stainless steel design. Our Temp Shield double-wall vacuum insulation has a thinner design while maintaining temperature retention. Our lightweight Flex Cap features our insulated and leak-proof design. The perforated strap and aluminum pivots maximize weight loss. 2 sizes to choose from, and ready for wherever your adventure takes you.
We spend our life making plans. Planning where we're going on holiday, the things we're going to see and do. Planning who our friends are going to be. Planning who we want to be before we even know what we like. Planning with whom we want to spend the rest of our lives before even having met the right person. Planning every single step, every single move. But then something happens, and our plans fall apart. So we have 2 choices. We can either sit down and be sad about it, or we decide that no matter what, we're going to make the best out of it. The things sometimes happen for a reason, and it is our choice not to be afraid of the unknown and enjoy whatever comes to our path. So, what's your choice?
Yeti Rambler bottles are built to go wherever there's a need for ice-cold or piping hot beverages, which we think is pretty much everywhere. And like everything from Yeti, they're seriously over-engineered for maximum beverage enjoyment. Take the wide mouth opening. Unlike other insulated bottles, Rambler bottles fit easily over your nose. So no matter which side of the family you got your nose from, it won't hinder your drinking experience. The triple hull cap makes it easy to grab and transport your favorite form of hydration. It also seals airtight to prevent leaks, while making sure your carbonated beverages stay carbonated. Built with kitchen-grade 18/8 stainless steel, Rambler bottles can take all kinds of abuse and won't leave that unwanted metallic taste in your mouth. Even on the longest days, your cold beverage will stay cold longer. That's because Rambler bottles have double-wall vacuum insulation to keep your drink as cold as science allows. And the no-sweat design keeps your gear and your fingers dry and unfrostbitten. Rambler bottles come in 3 convenient sizes: the 18-ounce, 36-ounce, and the 64-ounce growler. So wherever you find yourself in need of an ice-cold or steaming hot beverage, you've always got a go-to drinking buddy with Yeti Rambler bottles.
Hey, what's up? I just got this new bottle from Stanley. It's perfect for hot coffee to take outside, and it's got that iconic look, so let's go climbing. 2020 has been a lot, and it's so important that we take care of ourselves. Right now, I try to get outside as much as I can and seek those adventures closer to home. But as the new year comes around, I'm hoping that I can get more of those adventures in that are farther away from home. At the end of the day, it's all about taking care of yourself. Still hot.
For 110 years, Thermos brand has delivered superior quality products and performance standards. Our vacuum insulation technology continues to live up to that same quality and performance. Meaning, you can be sure that what you put in your vacuum insulated Thermos brand product will stay hot or cold. Before the vacuum insulation process is applied, containers will let in heat or cold. By creating an airless space between two walls, we virtually eliminate the convection process and temperature change within the product. So the contents maintain their temperature regardless of what elements surround the product. Engineered utilizing refined design, ergonomic functionality, and premium materials, genuine Thermos brand vacuum insulated products are developed and tested for optimized performance, hot or cold. They're made to last.